If you can't do one pull-up, this video is for you. The pull-up is one of the best upper body exercises you can do when it's performed correctly. It doesn't just build strength, it builds a bigger, wider, and thicker back, improves posture, and develops real functional power. But the truth is, most people struggle with pull-ups not because they're weak, but because they're missing a few key foundations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do pull-ups properly and how to get stronger at them step by step, even if you're starting from zero. First, you need to understand this. Pull-ups are not just a back exercise. Studies show that when you perform pull-ups, your core muscles are highly activated. Your abs, obliques, and lower back work together to keep your body stable and prevent swinging. If your core is weak, your form breaks down and pull-ups feel much harder than they should. 1. Strengthen your core. That's why the first step is strengthening your core. Start with planks. Planks teach your body how to stay tight from head to toe. Aim to hold a plank for 60 seconds with perfect form. Squeeze your glutes, tighten your abs, and keep your body in a straight line. If you don't know how to do planks correctly, watch my full plank tutorial. The link is in the video description. 2. Work on your grip strength. Next, you need to improve your grip strength. Grip strength is essential for pull-ups. If your grip fails first, your back muscles never get the chance to work. Stronger grip means stronger pull-ups, and that comes from stronger forearms. Train your forearms regularly to build a grip that doesn't give up before your back does. I've made a full video showing exactly how to work your forearms. The link is in the video description. 3. Do dead hangs. Now move on to dead hangs. Dead hangs improve your grip even more, strengthen your shoulders, and get your body used to hanging from the bar. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and slowly build up your time. This is the foundation of every strong pull-up. 4. Use negative pull-ups. The next step is negative pull-ups. Jump or step up so your chin is above the bar, then slowly lower yourself down under control. Take 5 to 10 seconds to come down. This builds strength fast and teaches your body how to control your own weight. 5. Train scapular pull-ups. Finally, work on scapular pull-ups. Hang from the bar with straight arms, then pull your shoulders down and back without bending your elbows. This teaches you how to activate your back properly and start the pull-up with the right muscles. Stay consistent, focus on quality over ego, and don't rush the process. Master these steps, and your first pull-up is closer than you think.